नमस्कार सभी को। वंस अगेन आई एम हियर with environmental studies for class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start the second lesson of environmental studies for class 5 NCERT book, that is a snake charmer story. So in this lesson we are going to study about snake, their snake charmer work, then different types of snakes, poisonous and non-poisonous. This thing we are going to study. And before starting this lesson, what are the objectives of this lesson? Means after the completion of this lesson, what objective should be achieved? Number one, familiarize them with the work done by the snake charmer. And children, you must be familiarized, means what the work done by the snake charmer. ठीक है. Second, the types of snakes in the world. There are two types of snakes we are going to discuss in this lesson: poisonous snake and non-poisonous snakes. The position of snake in the Hindu mythology, means how the snakes are considered, or what is the position of snake in the Hindu mythology. Then the people who keep animals for entertainment and livelihood. Most of the people, they are keeping the animals for entertainment purpose as well as to earn some money, that is livelihood, and to convey the message that animals should also have their freedom. As a human being wants freedom, like that also animal has the right to get them freedom. So all these objectives should be achieved after the completion of the lesson. So students, you all are ready to study with me. So let us start. The content of our lesson is that number one, that is introduction to a snake charmer, work of the snake charmer, poisonous snakes, non-poisonous snakes, and snakes in Hindu mythology. So these are the content, or these are the topics of our lesson. So in this video I am not going to cover all this topic, but some topics I am going to discuss here. Okay children, so start. Number one, that is the animals for livelihood. See, all these animals, these are the animals which are used by the human being for their livelihood, for getting their, or earning some money. Okay, now see, these are the animals. Number one, what is this? This is donkey. Then this is hen, cock. Okay, then horse, camel, cow, sheep, elephant, and fishes. So all these animals are used by the human being for livelihood purpose. Means man is directly dependent on animals for food and also for his livelihood. Now here some of the animals, they are giving the food, and some of the animals are used for earning money, just like donkey, horse, camel, and elephant. These are the animals are used for transportation. Okay, means to carry some loads for that purpose. Then hen, cow, sheep, and fishes, these are from them we are getting the food. Okay, cow is giving the milk, hen is giving egg, fish are used for eating. Okay, sheep is giving the milk also, and wool also. Okay, children, to this you all understood. So next, so let us read the story of a snake charmer. So in this lesson, in the text, the story of snake charmer is giving. That story we are going to see. I am Aryanath. I am a snake charmer. I entertain people with snakes. I know to play the bean and make the snakes dance. I learned this art from my father and grandfather. Our community is called Kalbelias. I am a Aryanath, that is a snake charmer. Now children, here the word community. Community means a group of people, those are living in a specific area, or with the people having their specific interest. Okay, that is a community. ये हिंदी में जैसे आप उसे कह सकते हैं कि समाज या जाति, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जो स्नेक चार्मर की कम्युनिटी होती है, उस स्नेक चार्मर की कम्युनिटी को क्या कहा जाता है? कालबेलिया। Did you hear the Kalbelia dance? Yes, Kalbelia dance is a famous folk dance of our biggest state of India in area, that is Rajasthan. Okay, Miss Kalbelia dance is a folk dance of our Rajasthan. ठीक है, see this is the Arinath's father and Arinath's grandfather. So children understood here in this. There is a community and Kalbelia. Kalbelia is a kind of community, that is a snake charmers community. ठीक है. Grandfather tells, when I open the bamboo basket, people gather to watch the snakes. They give me rice, pulses and food at the end of the snake show. Means जब भी ऐसा होता था, जब that grandfather tells the story of their work. Okay, means nowadays it is not found, but it is totally rare now. They are carrying the snake in the snake basket and they are showing to the people, and after showing the snakes to the people give some food for them. But now it is very much rare thing. Now due to that, what happened? What they are doing now? Our other work. So that's why their work is stopped. So what they are doing now? Our other work is that we not only entertain people but also give them medicines after collecting some herbs from the forest and heal some of their illness. We know to identify which snakes has bitten the people. We know how to remove the venom from the body of the people bitten by the snakes. So snake charmer का काम सिर्फ पहले क्या लोगों को एंटरटेन करना था, लेकिन उसके ऊपर कुछ बैन आने के कारण अब क्या होगा, उनका काम सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं था, तो इसके अलावा एंटरटेन करना ही नहीं था, तो क्या करते थे वो? दे आर कलेक्टिंग द मेडिसिन और हर्बल मेडिसिन फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट एंड यूज फॉर द पीपल दोज आर इल एंड दोज आर नॉट वेल. They are giving the herbal medicine to that people. Or if any person is victim of snake bite, they are giving the herbal medicine and they are able to identify which snake is bitten to that respective person. Okay, and we know how to remove the venom. This word venom, the meaning of venom is here poison. Venom means poison, जहर, जिसे क्या कहते हैं? जहर कह सकते हैं. फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ द पीपल बीटन बाय द स्नेक. उनको भी पता था कि किस तरह से उनका ब्लड मीन्स खून में से पॉइजन निकालना, बॉडी में से पॉइजन किस तरह से निकाला जाता है. दे आर एबल टू लर्न दिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स. But nowadays what happen? Some people catch the snakes for their venom. Some people kill the snakes and sell their skins at high prices. To put an end to these practices, our government has made a law to ban the catching of snakes and keeping them in the houses for entertainment. उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि कुछ लोग जो थे कि some of the people they are catching the snake and killing the snake for their own purpose. means खुद का उद्देश्य साध्य करने के लिए क्या करते थे? सांप को पकड़ते थे, उनका पॉइजन निकालते थे, मार्केट में बेचते थे, उसकी स्किन भी निकालकर मार्केट में सेल की जाती थी. एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर अगेंस्ट ऑफ अ लॉ. सो दैट्स व्हाई गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड अ लॉ, दैट इज इट मेड बाय द कानून बनाया गया, सरकार ने कानून बनाया कि स्नेक को पकड़ना और उनको या कोई भी स्नेक को घर में रखना या उसको एनिमल्स को रखना, इट इज क्या है? इट इज द अगेंस्ट ऑफ अ law and it is totally banned. So due to that what happened? The snake charmer's life is totally changed. So what they are doing nowadays? Nowadays the fearing the punishment, we have left our snake charmer work and now we entertain people with our instrument. So that's why they stop all these activities, and other than activities they are doing, they are using their musical instrument. See, here are some musical instruments of that snake charmers. Okay, this is tumba, bean, dhol and kanjiri. We play the instrument tumba, bean, dhol, kanjiri एंड आवर पार्टी इज कॉल्ड बीन पार्टी. इनकी जो पार्टी होती थी, इनका ग्रुप होता था, उसे क्या कहते थे? बीन पार्टी. सो दीज आर द सम म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड बाय द स्नेक चार्मर्स एंड अप मींस दे एंटरटेनिंग द पीपल with the help of this musical instrument and earning some money for their life. Now let us discuss. The snakes are venomous and dangerous to all. Why does our government ban the act of capturing and killing the snakes? कि ये जो स्नेक्स है इतने डेंजरस होते हैं, पॉइजनस होते हैं, हार्मफुल होते हैं. सो व्हाई डज आवर गवर्नमेंट बैन द एक्ट ऑफ कैप्चरिंग एंड किलिंग द स्नेक? देन ऑल्सो गवर्नमेंट ने फिर भी ऐसा क्यों कानून बनाया कि उनको कैप्चर करना या उनका किल करना ये अगेंस्ट है? सो व्हाट आर द रीजन? कैन एनीबॉडी? यस, द स्नेक्स आर endangered animals. That is, they are being killed by man every day. That their number is becoming less and it affects the equilibrium in the nature. एक तो पहला रीजन ये है कि जो स्नेक्स की जो संख्या है, मीन्स द endangered means and extinct. In the previous lesson, super senses, we have seen the endangered animals. The tiger is the endangered animals. Okay, endangered means extinct. Extinct means the जो उनका नंबर है, उनकी संख्या है, क्या होते जाना? कम होते जाना. Okay, they are being killed by man every day. That their number is becoming less and it affects the equilibrium in the nature. और उसी की वजह से फिर क्या होता है? जो प्रकृति का नेचर है, जो प्रकृति है, प्रकृति का बैलेंस क्या हो जाता है? डिस्टर्ब होता है. मीन्स दैट इज इट अफेक्ट्स इक्विलिब्रियम इन द नेचर. एंड वन मोर रीजन इज दैट the secondly our government wants to regularize the act of selling and buying venom of snakes for anti venom preparation through recognized government agency and not by individual snake charmer. और दूसरा एक और है कि गवर्नमेंट ऐसा नहीं चाहती है कि कोई एक पर्सन, इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति इसको क्या करे? स्नेक को पकड़कर उसका वेनोम, पॉइजन निकालकर बेचे मार्केट में. तो इट शुड बी थ्रू अ वेरी लीगल वे. So for that there is a government agency will work and they will remove the venom and make their anti-venom. That is, anti-venom means it's a antidote. अगर किसी सांप ने किसी को काटा तो उसी सांप का क्या होता है? जो एंटीडोट उस व्यक्ति के अंदर या उस व्यक्ति को दिया जाता है. ठीक है, that is anti-venom. So share your knowledge. Arinath, you know all about snakes, which are poisonous, which are non-poisonous, what are fangs in snakes, how to remove the fangs, and you must go to cities and share this knowledge with all the children of your age. So Arinath, आपको ये सब पता था और इसकी वजह से आप क्या कर सकते हो? कौन से स्नेक पॉइजनस है, which are non-poisonous, fangs. You know fangs? The fangs are the snake's teeth. जो सांप के दांत होते हैं उन्हें फैंग्स कहते हैं. ठीक है. एंड हाउ टू रिमूव द फैंग्स, फैंग्स कैसे निकाले जाते हैं? ठीक है. all these things or all this information you have to give to in the cities. Those are cities children. ठीक है. So poisonous snakes in India, there are some poisonous snakes found in our India, that is Russell's viper, cobra, saw-scaled viper and common krait. King cobra, see, this is king cobra, deboy, Russell's viper, afai, saw-scaled viper and bungaras, that is krait. These are the some poisonous snakes which are found in our India. ठीक है. Snakes, these are the fangs. I told the poisonous snakes have fangs through which the venom is passed on to the prey. Means ये through fangs के माध्यम से, ये जो दांत होते हैं, दांत के माध्यम से क्या किया जाता है? That poison it should be injected in the person's body. Through सांप के दांत है, दांत ये क्या करते हैं? पॉइजन अपने बॉडी में छोड़ते हैं. किसी व्यक्ति को अगर सांप काटता है तो वो थ्रू इट्स फैंग्स. फैंग्स मीन्स द टीथ ऑफ अ स्नेक. Okay children, I think all you understood up to this. So the remaining part, this in this lesson we have seen up to the those are snakes found in India, that is poisonous snakes. So children, I think you all understood. So thank you so much.